Hey YouTube, I got a quick update for the AfterSense marketplace. I got $131.57 with 3 conversions, $75 total so far. Really loving this, and the best thing about this is I'm not affected by any refunds. If anybody hate the offers that they join, my commission won't be affected. These are my commissions for life. So before I continue, this is Ashton from the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel, and I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. So you see those results. This is once again from the same system that I'm promoting right now, which is One Page Funnel 3.0. Now this is the affiliate side where you join for $7, and then there is an upgrade which I recommend, Profit Booster, for $47 one time, which will bump you up to 70% instead of sticking with 50% what you get for the $7 offer. And then you get 10% if any of your affiliates make a sale. So I actually helped out 2 affiliates. I'm really happy about that so far. And they joined my Traffic Rotator, and I have a big update to talk about as regards to that. So stay tuned in the middle of this video as well. So the CPA offer that I'm using is update for the funnel. The company made a recent update a couple days ago, and I've been using this ever since. This new landing page, and it's called the CPA Money Rotator for Tier 1 traffic only. And literally all you have to do is just copy the link. I recommend that you put it on a squeeze page. If you have any of them, join any of those popular funnel companies like ClickFunnels, Leads Leap, which I recommend. I can give you a link for that. It's linked in the description, where I give you the exact landing page I'm using. The squeeze page I'm using right now, and it really is working right now. Like you see those sales, and it's a simple, basic landing page. Squeeze page. Keep on messing up with that, but and it really works. Matter of fact, I want to show you the squeeze page that I'm using right now. Just want to show you how good this is. This is Leads Leap. Awesome company. So you see, I've been working on this a lot of landing pages and squeeze pages. So I'm just going to show you something. Let me get to this. There we go. Let's see. You know what? It's actually this one. Sorry. This one. I'm using a simple page like this. And with a little incentive here and there, but a simple page like this would work. Just prove that you're a human, you're almost done, and you sign up. And the referrals go to this page, and it'll be like a rotating of a bunch of high converting offers within a CPA Money Rotator for AfterSense Marketplace. And I've been getting results from this $9 offer, where I get like about 5 times the commissions. So it's not within the commissions within the $9 or 50%, 70%. No, it's literally above that, more than 100%. So it's 5 times of that 100%. So basically $25 I'm getting each time, which is really cool. And it's all because of action. Like the company pays you that because somebody made a specific action. And you know what? I got a big announcement in addition to my Traffic Rotator campaign that I have for One Page Funnel 3.0. Anybody who joins me with that Traffic Rotator campaign will be able to benefit from my upcoming CPA Traffic Rotator campaign as well. So not only are you getting traffic from the one-page funnel 3.0, but I'm also going to give you traffic for make sure you go to step 2. Um, sign up to the AfterSense marketplace and give me your links. So I'll put it on the rotator for the CPA offers too. So I'll be running Traffic Zest and Leads Empower. Those two traffic sources, and maybe some other traffic sources as well. To see, I'm testing to see what works. So you definitely want to do solo ads with this. Come up with a small budget, like $50 every week or something like that. I would say. Lead Empower would be your best friend on that one. You just go to the credit card option, and you should be able to see the $50. You can put $50 in there, and you'll be able to run the traffic. And that is very similar to Traffic Zest, but it has in-house traffic, the in-house ones, and um and some of the your popular solo ads vendors is also contributing traffic to that platform as well. But it's like it's I would recommend that more for the beginners because it could be $50 minimum, and it's a very cheaper price than for the $100 minimum of what Traffic Zest is. So it's like 100 and up if you want whatever the amount you want to do, and you can customize it any way you want. It's very similar to like using Google ads or Facebook ads, but it's all very user friendly for the beginner and the experienced marketer alike. So yeah, I'm definitely doing this right here. Like this is gonna be a big thing, and it's working for me, and it can work for you. If you want those commissions where you're earning them for life and you have to worry about refunds, I say focus on the CPA offer within AfterSense Marketplace. So when you go in your back office, make sure you sign up to step 2, the AfterSense Network, which is the marketplace for CPA, for 100 plus offers, 100 plus um, high converting offers. And as soon as you get approved, you simply just put your affiliate ID, 4-digit affiliate ID, the add-on, and then you go to this funnels page, get the landing page for the CPA Money Rotator for Tier 1 traffic only. That's the only way this will ever work, if you sign up to that marketplace and get approved. That's pretty much what you do. And the traffic sources, traffic solutions, Leads Empower and Traffic Zest. And you can also use, if you want free, Scale Up as well. You can customize the traffic where you can have it all to Tier 1 countries. You can eliminate all the other countries and go to Tier 1. So that the rotator would definitely work out with this. You just simply come up with an ad, which I'll give to you. You join my team, and I'll give you some bonuses, ads that will work, that's high converting, and then some screenshots so you can use, and you can just put your link right in there, and then people can join. Matter of fact, if you have Lead Sleep or Funnel, even better, put that link in there, to the like the squeeze page, and add it to Scale Up. You'll always get leads on a daily basis for Scale Up. I love this traffic, and it's been my replacement for a lot of safe lists out there. There's some good safe lists right out there, but like this one is like on another level because it's it has social media features on there, and it's really powerful. I got some sales from this. I would highly recommend this traffic for product launches. So as far as that goes, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like what you see and you had a megaton of value from this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, do me a favor to help the algorithm of this channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the link down below to get access to one-page funnel. That's only costs $7. And you can also get access to the CPA marketplace within the funnel. So without further ado, thanks for watching this video. Peace.